My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches of the world? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. So today's video I did in an attempt to try and use the makeup that I have forgotten about and that like I hardly ever use. So it's going to be a throwback palette tutorial. And did I just put it away? Oh my gosh, I swear sometimes. So the palette that I decided to use was this Too Faced Natural Matte palette. And it is a neutral like mini eyeshadow palette, and I was like obsessed with this when it first came out. Yeah, I wanted to do an all matte look because I can't tell you the last time I've worn an all matte look. I'm all about like glitter and glam now, but I know not everybody is about that, and I wanted to do more natural look. I realize this probably isn't very natural, but we're gonna say like maybe dramatic matte or like matte glam. But I love this look because it is so versatile. It can be worn as a daytime look or a nighttime look, and so I do two different lip options. This is the nighttime look, but the daytime look is like a pinkish nude, and it's just amazing like how much a lipstick can change the look. So if you would like to see how to get this all matte glam look, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And then let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, going into the natural matte palette, I am going to start off by using the shade Lace Teddy, which is a very light peach shade, and this large fluffy blending brush, and just putting that in my crease to use as a transition shade. And you can use any browns to create this look. You don't need this palette. And actually there are probably better eyeshadows. The shadow I tried to use after this did not work well, so I end up going in with the Anastasia World Traveler palette and using the shade Morocco. So I'm going to take that on an Elizabeth Mott tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to put that a little bit lower than I put the transition shade. I'm also kind of brushing it onto my outer corner just to kind of get it on the lid some. Then I go back in with the large blending brush and just blend that out. Then I go back in and just lay some more color. And here's where I put it on the outer corner. And then just blend that all out nice and smooth. Now I'm going to go in with a Morphe M562 in the color Chocolate Cookie, and I'm going to lay that down in my crease. This is my first time using that brush, and I am obsessed with it already. It would be perfect for a cut crease or just a very precise application. So I'm just putting that in my crease first, and then I'm going to go back in with the large blending brush and blend that all out. So I'm also going to go in with some fudge. I just wanted to darken up that inner crease a little bit more, and I'm using the same brush and just doing the exact same thing we did with the color before. Then blending it out. Now I'm going to go in with the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. I didn't have a brush that I wanted to use, so I ended up using a Q-tip. Don't recommend that. It didn't work out very well, but I made it work. So now I'm going to take a flat synthetic brush and go in with Heaven, that matte beige shade, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid and where we put the concealer. And the concealer is an optional step. I just like having a base before I put my lid color on. So I'm just going to get that all over the eye. I got a little concealer in my crease, but I'm going to fix that right after. I'm just going to go back in with Fudge and that same brush and go back into the crease, so that will get rid of the concealer. Now I'm taking an e.l.f. pencil brush in the shade Sexpresso, and I'm going to be putting that in the outer corner of my eye, like the outer third. I'm just going to kind of lay that color down and swipe it inwards. It was so brown, so dark, it was almost black, and mixing with the beige, it kind of looked grayish. So I go in with Fudge just to give it a little bit more dark brown in the outer corner. And I'm just laying that color down, and then I'm going to take that M562 brush and blend it out. So now I'm going to go in with this ILLAMASQUA eyeliner in Honor, and I'm going to put that on the lash line. I'm just going to do a thin band of eyeliner, since I was going for a more natural look. And once I get that laid down, I'm going to take I'm going to take the same eyeliner and tightline my upper waterline. And this is a great trick if you have hooded eyes, because it will make your eyes look so much bigger. Now I'm going to take a flat definer brush and go in with Sexpresso, and I am just going to press that into the lash line and where we put that brown eyeliner. And I just love the way that looks. So I'm going to go back in with MOROCCO in that same brush and just put that on the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take this Mally eyeliner in Mally Light and put that on my lower waterline just to open the eyes up some. Then I'm going to blend out the MOROCCO shade. And I'm also going to use Heaven to highlight the brow bone. So next I'm going to take this Stila Huge Lash Mascara and throw some mascara on. And then I will be finishing my makeup and going in with some lashes. These Allure and CRAZYRAYRAY lashes.
24 seconds, can you beat the shot clock? What you waiting on, look daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, bye, bye. Better know I won't think twice.
Okay, so I decided that I am going to do 2 lip options, because this look is such a versatile look. It can be a daytime appropriate look, or it could be a nighttime appropriate look. Like this would be a great first date look, or just any date look. But so this would be the more natural daytime lip, and I use my NARS, what's it called? Velvet Lip Glide in District. The nighttime, I know what I am going to use. I have a lipstick that I have been wanting to use and have not got a chance to yet, so this is the perfect opportunity. Okay, so for lip liner, I am going to use this NYX lip liner in Hot Red. I am going to be using this YSL Rouge Per Couture lipstick in 01. And it is like a true red. Okay, so you can see how easily that just completely changed the look and made it a daytime look to a nighttime look. Ooh, that's why I had the choker on. I was in preparation for the nighttime look. It didn't look right with the other lip, but it looks right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this not very natural matte, but this matte eye look with 2 lip options. And if you have any recommendations for palettes or looks, let me know down in the comments below. And I will see you next time. Bye.